Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Riders Republic. This game throws you into a massive multiplayer playground, offering an exhilarating open world for extreme sports enthusiasts. You can dive into 6 distinct sports, including biking, skiing, and even rocket wingsuit flying. Explore breathtaking landscapes inspired by real U.S. national parks, like the majestic Grand Teton. Get ready to shred, fly, and race your way to victory. Getting started is easy with intuitive controls. You will learn basic movement, how to perform incredible tricks, and manage your camera views. For those seeking a challenge, the Trickster control scheme allows for more complex and precise aerial maneuvers. Remember to practice your landings. A perfect landing can significantly boost your score and overall performance in events. Riders Republic offers a wide array of exciting game modes. You can compete in thrilling races, intense trick battles, and the epic 50-plus player mass races. Earning stars is key to unlocking new equipment, events, and advancing your career. Don't forget to check out the daily and weekly challenges for exclusive rewards. Team up with friends or go solo to climb the global leaderboards. To truly excel, experiment with all 6 sports to discover your strengths and preferences. Personalize your rider and gear with thousands of customization options to make a unique statement. Take time to explore the vast open world. You will find many hidden collectibles and exciting challenges. Consistent practice is crucial for mastering tricks and improving your overall performance in every event.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.